Hey, welcome back to another video. So I'm looking at products to avoid. If you're looking to get something started on Amazon and you're based either in Australia or New Zealand, right? There are a lot of bad products out there, and a lot of products that people really jump on and they regret it later on. And one example is these drones right here, okay? So this is probably one of the worst products to actually jump on, only because they're very, very complex. I mean, look at this particular product right here, right? Remote control helicopter, right? Incredible. Now, let me just ask you a question. If one of these products, and this is my litmus test, this is when I decide what products I want to jump on personally. If it's a very difficult product or very tech heavy or very sort of electronic based product, if it breaks, do you know how to fix it? And the answer is, if this particular product breaks or these drones here break, right, the chance is you probably don't know how to fix these particular products, right? So, you're gonna have to send it back, and there's all these other problems and warranty issues, right? So that's why for your first product, you wanna keep it really basic, really simple, something lightweight, something obviously profitable, but lightweight, small, and something that is not very electronic heavy, all right? So keep it as basic as you possibly can, all right? Like this is another example. This is a drone 4K quad helicopter, right? 300 bucks. Also, it's way too expensive, all right? It's way out of what we call the impulse buying range. So anything between 30 bucks and 100 bucks, that is the ideal. That is where you kind of want to be, your product be situated. If it's 300 bucks, you're gonna have to ask, honey, do I want this? Or hubby, do we really want to buy this drone? What if it breaks? You're gonna have to ask all these questions, right? So that's kind of one that you want to stay within that impulse buying range between 30 bucks and $100, all right? If you're looking for more advice on getting something started, and you're based in Australia or New Zealand, right, and you're looking to get something started, we run live workshops in Australia as well as New Zealand, all about finding products to sell on Amazon, and basically getting started as a beginner. And give us a call today in the office. Our phone number is down below on the screen. I would love to work with you and help you find your product and get something up and running. Have a great day. Bye-bye for now.